Looking for a reliable electric scissor lift for warehouse, facility, commercial, or maintenance work? Meet the Typhon xFlex-4046EW electric wheel scissor lift, built for height, control, and dependable elevated access. With a maximum platform height of 40 feet, this machine helps operators reach higher work areas with more confidence. It is ideal for overhead maintenance, lighting work, warehouse operations, and facility service jobs. The xFlex-4046EW supports a safe working load of 705.48 pounds, allowing up to 2 operators to work with tools and equipment. For added reach, the platform extension adds 35.4 inches and supports up to 249.12 pounds. Its 46-inch width and folded height of 76.4 inches help the machine move through tighter work environments, while its zero inner turning radius supports smooth maneuvering in busy warehouses and commercial facilities. Powered by an efficient electric system, the xFlex-4046EW charges in approximately 6 to 7 hours and provides an estimated 6 to 8 hours of operation on a full charge. With solid tires, emergency stop, battery display, and easy platform controls, this lift is built for safer, more confident elevated work. For height, capacity, electric efficiency, and dependable access performance, choose the Typhon xFlex-4046EW electric wheel scissor lift.